Hello there, my friends. So I am going to show you the figurines that I bought at Dollar Tree for my D&D campaign. And, these are awesome figurines, and I have videos about where I got these on Amazon. And you can check those out on my channel. Thanks, everybody, for subscribing. So, yeah, right to it. So the kids want to do, the kids I teach want to do a dinosaur thing. So I found these Jurassic World figurines for $1. So here's a Pyroraptor. I don't know. Does it shoot flame? I didn't see Jurassic World. Somebody tell me in the comments. But this is a pretty cool looking thing. This could be like a young dragon if you wanted it to be. You could even like say it's an axe beak. I guess. There's a bunch of things you could like interpret this as. And that's the thing I teach the kids is like some of these figurines will not be direct representations. For instance, these little things that I bought online for like really inexpensive. These are going to be flame skulls in the next thing that I have because I have a ton of them. And if I need a ton of flame skulls, they're just going to fly down. They kind of look like skulls. But yeah, so this was $1. And then I've got another Jurassic World one. I got the Tyrannosaurus Rex. And this looks like the one from Jurassic Park at the end where he's like fighting the raptors in the room with the banner that flies down. And this one actually came with a little card, which is kind of cool. So I can give the kids, the card. I'm sure they'll fight over it. But maybe I could reward it to somebody if, or we can use it in the campaign somehow. So yeah, this is going to be great for like the islands of Cholt or the peninsula of Cholt if we do some like dinosaur races, because what I want to do is there's a scenario where you race on dinosaurs, like you bet on them, and I was thinking of a mechanic where the different dinosaurs would have different properties, and then you could get bonuses for using those properties and roll the dice and see who wins. So I'm gonna see if I can get the kids to help me like make that mechanic. And then, of course, good old Harry Potter. You're a wizard, Harry. And it looks like there's a couple more in this series. So let's open this guy up. And Harry is going to... And we get a card with Harry, too, which is nice. Because a lot of the kids that are into D&D, they're into Harry Potter as well. They're all into dinosaurs. And then Harry is going to be Voloth Vandekamp. Volothamp Gedarm, because he's a human wizard, and so is Harry. Harry is a human wizard, so we're gonna use him to be Volo in my little adventure that I'm gonna run for these guys, which is called Xanathar's Wrath. So I'll probably do a video about the prep for that because I'm prepping for it right now, and I may even go through the plot with you if you want. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see in the next video. If you like these videos where I show you like where and I get the supplies to teach and be a DM for Dungeons and Dragons, let me know, because I do teach after school programs. I teach like I do Adventure League, and I'm in regular campaigns with Dungeons and Dragons, so I know a little bit about it. I appreciate you guys. Thanks, and thanks for guiding me on what content you want to see next. We're up to 16,000 some subscribers, so that's pretty amazing. I love y'all. Take care. Talk to you in the comments.